She flew straight to the
Rather than waste his winter worrying about the garden, we spent it
Thumb. The second licked it with her enormous lip. The third spun the spindle's hand with her big foot. In no time, the linen was neatly rolled up into skins. The queen was very pleased to see the work finished. "You are an excellent spinner indeed. Now I will take you to
from
sleep."
nurse
with
to
the wand. The
sleep.
fairy light touched
The garden had always wanted to explore the rest of the city, and that spring it was finally ready to make its move. Once again, invited to flow.
the king and queen made sure the servants who
But when he took a closer look, it became clear that the plants were dying. They needed a gardener.
The little girl grew up.
William may not have been a gardener, but he knew that he could help, so he returned to the railway the very next day.
A mole tide from tunneling along discovered the mitten and burrowed inside. It was cozy and warm and just the right size, so he decided to stay. You're being such a good listener. On his way home, Nicky saw a white shape in the distance. It was the lost mitten, silhouetted against the blue sky.
Citing a long list of behavioral problems, Snort City resident Gertrude R. LaRue yesterday.
See? Dear Mrs. LaRue, you should see what goes on around here. The way my warden, Miss Klondike, barks orders is shocking.
Hi, Grandma.